good morning. Welcome back to your regular classes. How was your holiday? Did you all enjoy? Did something useful, productive, or were you all simply sleeping? The climate is very nice for sleeping, so you would have slept a little longer. Okay. I really wish you all take a break, because even your mommy and daddy would have been really tired working with you also. It's nice to take a break once in a while. Some of you must have planned and gone to your grandpa's place also, grandpa's place. Okay. ரொம்ப விஷமம் பண்ணாதீங்க சரியா? If you're still there means don't trouble your grandparents, be good children, because from now onwards we start our regular class. Not for very long, just another 3 weeks. Then again we'll get a winter break. சரியா? So for another 3 weeks be a little more active. Okay? Just after that again holiday will come. Okay? Okay. Now it's been a long break, is it not? So shall we do a little bit of revision of all the phonograms that we have learnt? Okay. The first one was, what is this? Who can tell me what is this? 2 letters together. I have a green sandpaper letter for that. What letter? T and H. 2 of them are there. What do you call them together? Now together when they come they make one sound. Those of you have it in their name, they can tell it like that. What is that? Th. I am sure Nishwant and Tishant would have told immediately. Is it not? Th. Th as in thin. When I say thin, do you hear th? Yeah. Thick. Think. 3. Throw. Bath. Width. Like I gave an example of idli with chutney, with. Okay. So when I say with, you will hear it in the end. Kadasila kekku. With. Okay. Bath. Like that. So this is the. You all remember, right? Okay. I saw your book also, your scrapbook of all the phonograms. Very good, excellent. Keep it up, children. Okay, you can take and refer it whenever you want. Maybe next school your mommy and daddy must be preparing you to go to next school. When you go there, if there is no phonograms, don't forget it. If they don't have phonics to teach you, you still have to go through this. Okay, because if you go on a daily basis, you will have a good memory of it. Okay. Okay, next one, S and H together. Together, what do you call it? Shh. Yes. So those of you have it in their names, they will be quickly able to tell it. For example, Diksha. Yes. So that's sh. Let's try to say what all we have in sh. Ship, shop, shirt, then shawl, then in the end, you hear it in the end also, like fish, cash, finish, bush. Okay, don't rush. Can you hear shh when I say that? Yes, good. That is shh for you. Okay, you have not forgotten it now? Good. Next one is double E, 2 E's together. Okay, you will stretch and call it as E. It's a long E sound. E. As in, when I say 3, see, I don't say 3, I'll say 3. You have to, because you definitely know that in the number name 3, you would have written E twice, right? So you stretch it, long E sound. E, 3. Or let's take Diksha's name. She also has got double E in her name. We don't call her Diksha. We call her Diksha. 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 It's a long E sound. Adhika, don't pull it too long like Diksha. Not like that. Diksha. Okay? Just a little bit you have to pull. Okay? Like for example, teeth. Yeah, teeth. What all example I have here? Sheep. The sheep which goes bah. Sheep. sheep. Feet. Touch your feet. Bend and touch your feet. Sheet. Please write it on a sheet of paper. Sheet. Do you hear E in it? Then we have it in speed. You drive the car really in full speed. Eed. Okay, then we have meet. I was glad to meet you all when you came to give your books and collect your books. We met, right? Yes, I was so happy to meet you. Meet. E. Okay? Good. So that's your E. Next one. This is the letter A. But I gave one more sound for you, and I think because of that so many of you have confusion in it, right? Okay, no problem. I will finish that confusion today itself. We'll try working over it, okay? But this I gave you a new sound which is ah. Ah. It is not like the letter U. It is not this ah. I'm not talking about this ah. This is ah. Ah. Umbrella. Up. It's a short sound. See ah. I'm not saying ah. I'm saying ah. It's a short sound. Can you say ah? Yes. When I write U, it is ah. But when I write A, it is a long sound. Ah. Like as in Jannah. Jannah. Can you hear ah in a Jannah? Yeah. Okay, it goes like that. Like for example, I have written some words here where you have this ah coming here. Listen to the sounds of ah alone in this, okay? How does it go? Sharp. Sharp. You see the ah? It is a long sound. Sharp. Sharp pencil. Water. Water. Ah. Car. We travelled by car. Ah. Or let's do art and craft. Ah. Long ah sound. Art. Then ask. You want anything? Ask your parent. Okay? Ask for permission. Ask and you will get it. Okay? Ah. It's a long ah sound. Not a short sound. Short sound means you will write ah solununa, you will write this one. Okay? If it's a long ah, you will have to make it like this. Okay? Okay. Next one is long oo sound. Ooh. Okay? As in cool. Okay? Then we have tooth. Just one. Tooth. Then my tooth is aching. My tooth is shaking. Okay, some of you maybe by next year you will notice your one or two tooth will start shaking. One tooth will start shaking and it will come off. Don't worry, it's time to fall. New one will come its place. Okay, it will be such fun. You will enjoy that gap in between. I also enjoy seeing that gap. Okay, then tooth. Then root. Plants have root. Ooh, long oo sound. Root. Then boots. Boots. Puss in Boots. Have you seen that cartoon, Puss in Boots? Yes. Dora also wear boots, no? Yes. Then broom. Do you hear ooh when I say broom? Long oo sound. Broom. Then tools. I introduce you to gardening tools. Yeah, the shovel, the gardening fork or the rake, crowbar, all those are tools. Okay? Even some of you would have come across other tools like, screwdriver, cutting pliers and all, right? Yeah, they are all tools and you will hear this long ooh sound in it. Okay? Next one. Next one is A. A. You would have come across this A in the word 8. Is it not? Very good. 8. or let's say wait. Then neigh. We learn the sounds made by horses, right? What sound does the horse make? Neigh. Horses neigh. Neigh. Or you tell my neighbor. நம்ம பக்கத்து வீட்டில் இருக்கவங்க நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? My neighbor. Neighbor. You always tell, Jenna keeps always telling about her neighbor. Achuma. She always talks about that kid. Neighbor. Do you hear A when I say neighbor? So you'll find it here. Can you see it? Neighbor. Okay. So that is your A sound. And the next one is O. O is not with me here. Okay, it must be in the box. Never mind. This is the sound made for O. Don't confuse it with A. A, the sound A is different from O. Okay, you don't say ah, my head is paining. You say oh, my head is paining, right? So the difference between O and A. Hindi students will know that very well. Is it not? O say okhali, A say aurat. Correct? Correct. So there's a difference between the two. O. So this is the sound for O, the letter sound combination for O, as in boat, soap, foam, road, oats. Some of you eat oats in the morning, or you would have seen your mommy and daddy eating oats in the morning. Oat, boat, okay, road, board, whiteboard. And I hear all that, you'll write this letter O and A in between to give the sound O. Okay? If you write only the O, it becomes A. Then all this will become like bought, soap, farm, not like that. This is O. Okay? So boat, soap, foam, road. Okay? Got the difference between O and A? Good. I'll come back to all those one more time. Okay? Now I'll just flip the board and I'll go to the next letter. So there it is. Can you see what is the next thing that I have given you? Next phonogram? When N and G come together, you get the sound as in king, song, okay, lung, cow dung, ring. Can you hear it? Or action words like, singing, dancing. Can you hear in it? Dancing, running, walking, playing. That is the you'll hear in it. Okay? It comes together as one sound, more or less little nasal. Running. Okay? Konja nasal sound will come. Running. Okay? So that is for you. And then I introduced one letter Y for you, wherein it has a sound E only towards the end. For example, party, nanny, granny, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Yeah, they're all you found E, you had Y in the end, right? Yeah. So sometimes when Y comes instead of year, particularly when Y comes in the end, you will say it as E. Okay? Okay. So those are the ones. And one more last was Q. This I told you in M1 itself, because the letter Q never comes alone. It always comes together with the U letter, that is A. So together you call it Q. Never you'll find a word with just this alone. When you write Q, you have to write next to it U also. Definitely you have to write as in queen, quick. Okay? All these words you will find the Q and U always together next to each other. Okay. So that was one thing. Then we saw some sight words. Do you remember? Shall we go to the sight words? Okay. Read with me. Me, he, we, be, she. Okay, me, he, we, be, she. Remember? Good. Do your reading daily, okay? Next one, U. Y-O-U together will be U. R. R. E is silent here, that's why. R. Was. Was. I was reading in my holidays. She was sleeping. Next is I in a capital letter. I am your teacher. I. Then we saw all. And I told you with that you can prefix a and say mall, ball, call, hall, tall, wall. So many words you can make, but just adding one letter next to it. If I had a chalk piece, can I have this chalk piece? See, I'll just add here next to this all. If I add here t, I will read it as t, all, tall. Like that I can read hall, ball, mall, call, then wall. Is it right? Yes, fall. So many words just by adding one new letter to it. Okay, very, very sweet word. I like this word all. Okay, I also like all of you. Next one. This is the last thing that I gave you. To. Give it to your mummy. Okay, come to school when you find time. The next one, just like to, this is do. Do your work daily. Okay, do not cry. Do you know what time it is? How do you do? Do. So this was the last two I gave you, to and do. And then I also gave you this one, the. The book is on the table. The boy is running too fast. The cook is the chef is making the food. The. Okay, you would have come across when you're reading books. By now you would have come across all these words popping up here and there, right? And you'll be able to read it. Now, this the itself, I'm going to introduce to you with some more combinations. This is not the, if you remember, we just now finished the, right? As in Tishant, Nishwan, Think, Tin, Tik. This is not the, this is the. That is why I gave it as a sight word. Okay? The. Idhula the varave varada. Seriya? It is the. So, when I write it like this, I want you to learn these also as new set of sight words. The is, this, this. This is a beautiful day. This is our first day after the break. This. The at. That. That is a boy. Okay. That is really cool. That. See, here I am asking you, just because it is a sight word, the sound changes. That is why I am introducing it to you with the, this, the, that, then, the, them. I gave them my cake. Okay, them. Give it to them. Ask them to come. Okay, them. Next one. The, then. Then, what did you do? Then. Okay, have you come across this word then? I went for the picnic, then we went for lunch, then I had ice cream for dessert, then we went back in the car, then. Okay, that then. Okay, then. And one more, the A. The A, they. They are very sweet children. They listen to their teacher. They. Okay? Easy? Okay. Because it is the and the sound is not the, it is the. I am giving it to you with sight words. just like the, you will have to remember these also. So include this in your sight words. This, that, them, then, they. Easy to read for you. Okay? I'm sure you can read it all. Now shall we get into our workbook? You've been waiting to see what is in your new workbook. Come. In your home workbook and class work, you will be learning a new sound today, a new blend. Just remember the blend that you are learning: stir, spur, clr, cr. Yeah, just like that. Two sounds blending together. Now this easily you can say, what is this and k together? Sk, sk. Try and say sk. Where have you come across this word sk? Sky. Try and say sky. How does the sound come? Sk. Do you hear it? Sky. Or let the girls like to wear skirt. Sk, skirt. Yeah. There are more words here. Shall we try and read it? Come. Ask. 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 Ask for your mom's permission before you do anything. Okay? Ask and you will get it. Then, sk, in. Sk, in, skin. I feel with my skin. Next, skip. Skip. Do you all know how to use the skipping rope or the jumping rope? Yeah. You do skipping with that. Skip. You have already done your skip counting of 5s. Skip counting of 10s. Remember skip? Yeah, jump, jump and go. Skip counting of 5s and skip counting of 10s. Skip. Next one. Sk-a-nk. See, this is a. It's a short sound. A. Sk-unk. Skunk. What is a skunk? Skunk is an animal. Yes. Actually, it has when you try to attack it, it releases a very smelly gas that you can't stay near it. You'll run away from there. Okay. That will also get scared. You will also get scared and you'll run away from there. Skunk. Okay. Very smelly. Skunk. Okay. Next one is ask. Like the same ask what you have here. Ask. Ask it. Ask it. Basket. Basket. You like to collect all your Easter eggs in the basket? You like to keep all your toys in the basket? Basket. When you go for shopping, you put your all your vegetables and all your groceries in the basket. Yes, that's the basket. Ask it. Basket. Next one. Desk. 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 That's my desk. Okay? That's Miss Juno's desk. I write on it. You also must be having a desk at home by now for writing. Next one. It's a short sound. Task. Task. Tusk. Who has a tusk? Do I have a tusk? Do you have a tusk? Do lions have a tusk? Does elephant have a tusk? Yes. Elephant. Elephant has a long tusk. They are also called as tuskers. Okay. Tusk. Tusk. Elephant has tusk. Next one. Kiosk. 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 You would have not heard this word before, but I want to introduce to you a very beautiful word. You know what's a kiosk? A kiosk is a small shop-like place. Okay. Mostly you can be removed from there. Temporarily they'll have that shop there. Then after that it might go away, or it may be there like just like for a not for, they cannot keep that shop for very long, just sometime it will be there. For example, when you go to the beach, you have you seen so many kiosks there? One may be selling ice cream, one may be selling fishes in it, one may be selling bhaji in it, is it not? Nice bhajis, hot bhajis, or one may be even selling toys in it. They are all called as kiosk. When you are going on the road also, you will see even small shops, like somebody will be organizing one small shop there. It will not be there next day there, okay, or it can be closed up and wound up very quickly. Okay, that small shop is called kiosk. Next time you go to the road, I want you to check for kiosk. Okay, which is a kiosk, which is a shop. That I want you to find the difference between the two. Okay, kandupidipengla? Okay, so that's a kiosk. Now, we'll go to your, so these are the words which you will find in your homework book. That's for tomorrow. And today's workbook also, you're going to have the same words itself. Shall we see what's in our workbook? You will have to do pages 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me just check, confirm 1. Okay, you will have to work till page number 5. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, just like that you can finish off. Very, just circling only. Okay, shall we do it? Come, let me introduce to you what is there in your new book. In page number 1, you will have some 3-letter words. That's just for you for reading. Okay, just read them. That will do. You can do it even as your last exercise. Now we'll move to the page number 2. In page number 2, you will find pictures whose beginning sound is sk, what we learned just now, sk. Seriya? Now look at this child, these two children, what are they doing? They are skipping. Can you see they have a skipping rope in their hand? They are skipping. So you can write here the blend skip. Try and read it if you can. But it's enough you write sk. Okay, sk. That's for you to get introduced to this blend sk. Next one is this lady, she is boiling milk. Okay, when she boils milk, you know what happened? All the cream comes on top. She'll skim it. And the cream mattu eduthuruvanga. She'll take just the cream alone and she'll keep it aside, maybe for making butter and ghee. Okay, so that way of removing that cream from the milk is called skim. Maybe your mummy is also doing skimming at home. Okay, removing the cream from that milk is called skim. You will write here skim. Next is a picture of somebody doing skiing. We wouldn't have tried it, but anywhere where it is snowing, particularly the mountains where it is snowing, you can go skiing. You can't go just like that. You need a lot of practice for doing that, because 1 minute you stand on the snow with this, you just go right down to you reach the bottom of the mountain in a minute itself. Whee! You'll go off. Okay. So this sport is called as skiing. Okay, so you can write here ski. Next one, anybody guess what is this? Girls wear it. It begins with the sound skirt. Very good. So you can write here skirt. We'll turn to page number 3. Now I want you to look at all these pictures and circle the correct ending sound of all these pictures. Okay, what we saw was the beginning sound. Now we are going to see here all the ending sound. Look at this picture. Mask. What is the ending sound? Mask. Sk. Yeah. So circle sk. Now I'll give you names of these pictures. You do the circling. Tusk. Okay, this is called as the elephant's tusk. Desk. What you use for writing? Desk. Then that's a disk which you put into the computer. Disk. CD in சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? That CD is called as, actually it's a small short form. It's compact disc. CD, compact disc. So you have to call it as disk. In the next 2 pages, you will find words which have the sound CK. Okay? What is the sound of C? What is the sound of K? Both are K. Sometimes when you are reading, you will find the 2 of them together. But that doesn't mean you have to say 2 times. You just say 1 time. Mostly they will be together, C and K, because they make the same sound, they will be together, but you have to say just the sound once. Okay? Shall I show you which are all the words which have the sound CK in it? Clock. Clock la you will hear the sound CK. Okay, you will read it when you're reading or when you're writing. You will write it with an ending sound CK. Clock. Okay, just one sound you have to give. Clock. So you circle CK. Or when you write duck, you will find only one sound, but you have to write CK. Sock. No, you know socks, right? You say socks because they come as a pair. ரெண்டு இருக்கும். ஒண்ணே இருந்தா just one, you call it as sock. Sock. Lock. In page number 5, you will circle all the words ending with CK. Okay, there is one ending with RK or AT. No, we are looking for words ending with CK. And circle all those words that is ending with CK and read it as in black, lock. See, I am saying the sound only one time. Lock. Kick the ball. Duck. Clock. So that is your activities and exercises for today. I want you to do right now itself. It's just simple circling or 1 or 2 letter writing only you have to do. Today you do your workbook. Tomorrow words in your notebook. Okay children, I'll meet you all in another video. Until then, bye bye.